To restore the default theme on your OnePlus 13, just swipe up and go to Settings. Under Settings, go to Wallpapers and Style, tap on that, and then you can choose from any of these default themes. So this is the one that's the default. So if you tap on it and then hit Apply, you can actually go ahead and restore the default theme. Now, if you tap on My Themes, you will see all your themes, including the ones you downloaded, like this one, and you can delete it if you want. Just tap on this little red icon and confirm you want to delete, and it's going to get deleted. So that is basically how to restore the default theme on your OnePlus 13. Actually, it didn't change, so let's try again. So it turns out after restoring the original theme, then you must scroll down and come to icons and also restore the original icons. So those ones look like that and like that, and then tap on apply, and then the process is complete. So that is basically how to restore the original default theme on the OnePlus 13. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below. If you found this useful, don't forget to leave a like, possibly also subscribe for more tips, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.